Hi, my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today, 2A important model paper, half-yearly board paper. Actually, model paper, this is not exactly, okay, but what is the weightage, what chapters, how many questions will be in each chapter, okay, we are discussing now. And next, what questions you should prepare, then you will get easily 75. That also we will discuss now, okay. Yes, come to point here. How many chapters do you know? Yes, complex numbers, De Moivre's theorem, next quadratic expressions, theory of equations, permutation combinations. Right? How many chapters? Right, 5 chapters. In these 5 chapters, most weightage is, yes, exactly, De Moivre's is most weightage, and the next theory of equations is most weightage. Okay, these chapters, it comes 4 questions, seven more questions, 4 questions out of 7 questions. Okay, and next theory of equations, 3 questions will be. Okay, only these parts. Okay, you will prepare only 2 chapters. Okay, only 2 chapters you can prepare, then happily, easily 35 marks you will gain. Okay, and next 4 marks are in complex numbers, 2 questions, quadratic expressions, 2 questions, and the next permutation combinations, 3 questions. Okay, suppose you can eliminate complex numbers or quadratic expressions, easily you will get 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions only, prepare, exactly you're writing, right? And next 2 marks questions are complex numbers, 3 questions, De Moivre's 2 questions, quadratic expression 1 question, theory of equation 1 question, permutation combination 1 question, 3 questions. Okay, half-yearly model paper, right? Is only 2 chapters enough, you will get 30 out of 35 long answers. Okay, yes, what is the model paper, that also we are discussing now. Yes, Board of Intermediate Education half-yearly examination model paper, this is. Okay, yeah, see, complex numbers, first 3 questions from complex numbers, got it? Next 2 questions, De Moivre's theorem. Next 2 questions, De Moivre's theorem. Okay. See, complex conjugative. Find the complex conjugative. Next, find the value of x square plus y square. Next, argand of z1, z2. Okay. Next, fourth and fifth, De Moivre's. Okay. Sixth, quadratic expressions. Next, theory of equations. Seventh one, theory of equations. Eighth, ninth, tenth are permutation combinations. Okay, permutation combinations నుంచి మనకి 8th 9th 10th క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, 2 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్లో మనకి చాయిస్ లేదు, యూ నో దట్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ బి. యా, ఇన్ సెషన్ బి ఇస్ 11th 12th complex numbers, 11th 12th complex numbers. Okay, easy questions. Okay, next 13th 14th, listen, 13th 14th మనకి ఎక్కడి నుంచి? ఎస్, quadratic expressions నుంచి. Yes, next 13th 14th, next 15th 16th 17th, these are, see here, miracle. See, find the number of 4-letter words that are can be using the word letter of the words miracle. How many of them begin with vowel, begin and end with vowels, and third one end with a consonant? Okay, I will explain to you miraculous question. And next, master also explained how to find rank, and also MSET recently I explained. Okay, one check previous videos, my videos recently, just in 1 month only I will explained 1 month ago. Okay, this is also very important. 17th one, cricket team. Next session C. Yes, in session C, see, 18th, 19th, 20, 21. Yeah, these 4 questions, observe clearly. Only De Moivre's. Okay, you can prepare, you should prepare compulsory De Moivre's. Will get easily 4 questions easily attempted. Okay, next 22, 23, 24, these 3 questions, theory of equations. Okay, these 3 questions from theory of equations. Okay, yeah, this is also most important, 22, 23, 24. See, here given the root is equal to half of the sum of the remaining roots, right? Next, given that one root is double the other root. This is also important. Next, product of 2 roots is 6. Okay, I will explain here 22, 23, 24 there. Na? Like that questions, mostly 10 questions are there. In the 10 questions, compulsory it will come 3 questions. Okay, next video I will upload to you what are the questions you should prepare. Then easily 75 out of 7, 35 out of that session C will complete later. Session B, easily you will complete permutation combinations. 3 questions you can prepare. Next, 2 questions complex numbers, 2 questions theory of equations. Okay. Quadratic expressions, sorry, quadratic expressions 13, 14, right? Like that. Now, next session A. Yeah, these are session A paper. Okay, 2 mark questions, most important questions these also. Okay, exactly not, but model paper this is. Okay, you can prepare these questions and next extra questions also. Okay, like that models I'm explaining. Okay, yeah, already explained so many questions like this, these questions. Okay, once check previous videos. Okay, all the best. Bye.